Welcome back. We're opening box number 2 of 2019 Elite Football. Box number 1 was meh. Hoping for better results from box number 2. We're gonna make this a quicker video and get right to it. Is there anything I should tell? These Elite 1999 Elite Rookies, those are something that's new and different. Everything else is basically the same. It's a little bit depressing. I don't know if depressing is the right word. A little bit disheartening that the parallels aren't like named like the aspirations. Usually it says aspirations, so you're gonna have to kind of dig around to find out what you have. I'm not a huge fan of the base design. It's a little bit too much foil for my taste. And this picks up fingerprints really badly, so I don't know that I love this. I don't know, I'm still processing. So there's the first parallel, Gurley to $2.99. All I know is that it's to $2.99, and this is what it looks like. Lamar Jackson, Kerryon Johnson. And one of my autographs from box 1 was like one of those recycled autos, so that wasn't too crazy about that either. I mean, this looks pretty good. There's Myles Gaskin, rookie to $6.99. I don't know. I mean, I love Elite regardless, but I think I like last year better. I really do. Garrett Juju, a Saquon Spellbound to $2.99. Let's see what letter it is. It is the E. Chris Jones and Andy Dalton. Aaron Jones, Wentz, Justice Hill pen pals. So I got 2 pen pals, and again with the black ink. Yeah, I don't love these rookies like I loved last year's. I wish I did. Phillip Rivers, Howard, and like I said in the first video, maybe I will. It just takes time. You gotta see what these people are gonna do before you really know who to love and not to love. There is a Miles Sanders. What is this? Rookie to $6.99. Sorry. Adams and Kittle. Antonio Brown, Gurley, Odell Beckham Jr. This is a Playmaker's insert, which I do like the looks of. Wow. I didn't even process his uniform. That's crazy. And the Browns, if they're not lights out this year, I'll be crazy. I mean, it doesn't even make sense. They've got so much talent right now. If they don't make it at least to the playoffs, I'd be shocked. Alright, Derrick Henry. Irv Smith Jr. What is this? This is oh, this is the rookie version. That's cool. So I got this for Josh Jacobs and Irv Smith Jr., so that's pretty cool. I'd forgotten that he went to the Vikings. Mahomes and Gordon. Shady, Mariota, a Chris Carson. This one does say aspirations to something. 69, I think is what that says. Odd number. Smith and Connor. So if the aspirations is labeled, then what are the other ones with the square pattern? Lord Jesus, I can't read that. I don't know. Elite Status. That might be what those are. I wish I could remember. Of course, it has, even though it's been a year, it's not like it's my first rodeo with Elite. Tidal Wave Zeke. These are nice. This is textured. Not textured, embossed. Woods and Keekly. Edmonds, Luck. Joe Mixon to $2.99. Johnson and Sam Darnold. Fournette. Drew Brees. One of the throwback Elite. Mike Weber rookie to 25. Did not get one of those in box 1. That is a super short print there. Lindsay and Dak. If you don't know, we are looking for one game used card here, or relic card. I need to stop saying game used. Most of them aren't game used. Barry Sanders. Playmakers. So I got 2 playmakers in this box. Zeke and Edelman. Mixon. DeAndre Baker rookie. 1999 version. Zach Gentry. Status to 24. So this is a die cut rookie parallel. So far this box has been better than the first one, I think. I don't know. If you watched both videos, comment below and let me know. Of course, we got a little ways to go, so wait. Don't comment yet. Although I already feel like it's been a little bit better than the first one. Got to see that other autograph, though. Kamara, Landry. Ooh, David Johnson aspirations to, again, it looks like it's a 69. I don't know what it is with the 69. So this is like the throwback version in parallel format, which is really kind of cool. Yeah, that's cool. I definitely think this box has been better no matter who the other autograph is. And I don't think the jersey card could be worse than the first one. There's Ridley, Kenyon Drake. Yeah, Nick Bosa rookie. There we go. Finally got a decent rookie. So that's good too. Suggs, Roethlisberger. Evans, AP. Jameis Winston is the jersey card. Another Craftsman, plain Jane jersey. So I don't know, you tell me. Jameis Winston or Kirk Cousins? Who do you like better? Because those were the 2 jersey cards. Drew Brees and Winston again. Beckham, Cook. What is this? Taysom Hill to 99. Dual threats. Taysom Hill. Did not get one of these in the first box. So that's different. Derek Carr, Kirk Cousins. So definitely got a couple of different things in here. So that's kind of neat. That didn't come around the first time. It's one of the reasons I typically get 2 boxes, because one is just hard to know. Green, Hilton, Jarvis Landry, Elite Deck. I am a fan of these a lot. I like these a lot. Carson and Brady. Last 2 packs. Still looking for that other autograph. Last time it was the first pack in the box. That's why I purposely skipped that one. Looks like it must be sitting there again. Saquon, Bell Tidal Waves, Jared Goff. Kiko Alonso, Matthew Stafford, and here we go. Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Tony Pollard, turn of the century auto to 99. That is better than the first one. So yeah, I think this was definitely a better box. Let me know what you think. Landry and Von Miller. Still not one of those like lights out, whoa, that's the craziest box ever, man. Definitely not that, but I feel better. The first box, I wasn't feeling so great. I was like kind of poo-pooing on Elite, but I feel better after that one. I still think I could do better, but I don't know if I'm going to get another one of these right this second. If I do, it's going to be from a friend of mine if he has one to spare. Other than that, I might leave it be for now and see what the price does. So, I don't know. I'll see what else is out there. I need to check and see. I've been surprised a couple of times this year because certain products that normally do not have retail versions have. Elite usually does have blaster versions. So I've got to get on that and see if they've got that this year, and if there's anything else. They may even, you know, surprise me and come out with a hanger box. There should be packs, so rack packs, I think. God, I open so much stuff, it all blends in. Anyways, I'll do some checking. If there's any retail version of this, I will get my hands on it and have it for you. Actually, I'm going to go do that right this minute. So, thanks for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. Love you guys. I'll be back soon.